You are looking at a top 10 card magic trick. I specify card magic because I have other tricks that don't deal with cards and they're also a top 10. But as far as card tricks, this is a top 10 and it's called the Mind Benders. And it's actually a double feature, as you will soon see. In both tricks, they're so similar, that's the reason why I combine them. For example, in both, you're going to put your predictions face up going from left to right. This one has 4 predictions, and the other one that you'll soon see has 3. The 4th prediction in this one goes up top, face down. Now we want to peel off some cards to make stacks. Here's one stack, smaller stack, and finally the last stack. And notice we went from left to right with both moves. That way we make everything uniform and easy to remember in case you want to duplicate this trick. With this, we're going to deal down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lend one to your friend and lend one to your friend. Put this one on top and put the rest on top. If I had a volunteer here, I would see that they're paying attention by having them do this step, which is same thing. 1, 2 down. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Put this sunny side up and the rest on top. Finally, we have the last stack. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to let them borrow one and let them borrow one. Put this on top and put this on top. Now, you had the opportunity to shuffle at the beginning. You see that we dealt cards the way that we wanted. And we had a prediction at the very beginning that's been in our sight the whole time. Let's see what cards we have when we turn these over. We have a queen, another black queen. Wow, that's a red queen. And what was our prediction before we even knew what was going to happen? It was a queen. So that's one mind bender. And now we'll do the other mind bender. So here's our other mind bender trick. If you remember the tenets of the first one, you might recall that we made a prediction in the beginning, and it was 3 cards that were face up, plus a 4th one that was face down. Well, in this one, it's the exact same thing minus the face down one. So again, going from left to right as you read a book, we'll do our 3 predictions. Next, we're going to put our cards going from left to right, and we'll just peel them off into stacks. Now, I would ask the person to tell me to stop whenever they want. If they said stop there, I would put the card there and put the rest of the cards on top. Now, you're not here, but I'm going to act like I can hear you within the screen. So I'm dealing. And we'll just say that you're being difficult and you do not say stop until now. So you said stop, and we'll put this here. Now, if we had an audience member, we would have them shuffle up this middle section as much as they want. See, all crooked and everything. And we could actually have them do this section just like we did on the previous trick of the mind benders. And again, they could actually deal down, and whenever they're ready, face up, something here. With this one, maybe they're being real difficult and they say stop right away, stop. So we put that here. Gather them all up. Make them nice and neat. Now we're going to go through till we see a top up one. There's a top up one. Let's go through till we see another top up one. There's another top up one. And then finally, let's see one more top up one. There's one more top up one. Now, we had you say stop wherever you want it. We had our prediction cards. Wouldn't it be amazing if we could find a match? We got to red 3 there. And when we turn this one over, we got a red 3 there. We got a red 9 here, 9 of hearts. And when we turn this over, we also have a red 9. Here we have a black ace, ace of spades. So we need that ace of clubs. We turn it over, and we do indeed have an ace of clubs. And this has been known as the mind benders.